It is quite a good sound. The IC recorder is the fifth one, but it feels one rank higher. Connection can also be done with BL, so we can monitor live recording quickly and we are pleased. The capacity is large, small size, the body is solid, the battery is well carried, very satisfied.
It is quite a good sound. The IC recorder is the fifth one, but it feels one rank higher. Connection can also be done with BL, so we can monitor live recording quickly and we are pleased. I switched from Sony. Many things I thought would be nice to have such a feature were included. BC repeat from a B repeat. Play and stop are separate buttons. You can change the